So the reason why you are chosen, the reason why you're able to do what you can do, and many can at this time, is because you are tapped into your psychic abilities. Everybody has this skill set. Many is not woken up. Many don't believe in it. Many don't think it exists. Many think it's evil. So you are trusting in outside information to allow you to put your natural, universal talent on dormant. And that's exactly what's happened. Your skill sets, your uniqueness, your abilities to perform, just like the one that you worship perform. And you only think that that individual can do it. You don't think that you can do it. You don't think that you possess that type of ability. You think you was the specialist one. That's not what he represented. And he didn't like for anybody to single him out. He didn't like for anybody to put him on a pedestal. He only came here to show you your psychic abilities. That you have psychic abilities. Your uniqueness, the skill sets, these are all natural, nature. Psychic abilities is just a word that's put on the natural ability of a human being. That's just a localizing. Oh, he's different. Or how is he doing that? Or how is she doing that? It's a given talent. You have it inside of you. You've been created with it. It's just that you've been told it doesn't exist. This weirdness is something that you shouldn't look into. What you think a spiritual awakening is? A spiritual awakening is the awakening of the human being's true universal potential. Everybody has a certain portion of it in every given lifetime. It's just up to you whether you want to accept it or reject it. Whether you want to hand it over to an outside force. Allows for you to be dominant. Or allows for someone else to dominate you. Each medium, I have to put it in that way so anybody knows what I'm talking about. Each individual that has awoken their natural given talents. These are the individuals that are handpicked to give the message to humanity, to give the message to the next person, to get them to think outside the box, to get them to think deeper about themselves, to get them to become sure of themselves. What I mean is your nature. You're not too sure of your nature. Your nature is a systematic chemical-based environment. You think that is real. That requires you to allow your nature to lie dormant, while others enhance theirs and weaponize it and use it for their advantage to watch and monitor you. Once these so-called psychic abilities are awakened, impossible to be controlled. You become the prophet. You begin to prophesize. You begin to speak with the trumpet, a talent of nature that has a different frequency, and why certain individuals can't deal with it because it's a higher pitch than the pitch that they're used to operating with. It's a different language to some. but it's going into the minds, the subconscious. Sooner or later, they'll have to diagnose it. They will have to allow themselves to put the codes together so that they can come online with their ability. You got something that can hear spirit. Got some to get visions, some to get dreams, some to have astral projection in their dreams, lucid dreaming, incognizance. You just know nature, incognizance. You are one in harmony with nature, the higher frequencies. It lives within you. You breathe it, your heart beats it. It is something that it's a powerful, unique ability because you can just sit there and you will have a epiphany of information, or you can be watching a movie and know the outcome. Never seen it before. It gives you the connection to the higher realms, that everything that you are experiencing already exists. You just going through it. To find out the why you here. It's a major classroom where these abilities of everybody, uniqueness, it must be studied within itself. You must believe it. You must erase the fact that you're taking as evil. It's a natural, creator-given talent. And you are applying evilness to what the Creator has given you naturally upon your existence. They are afraid of your talents. Because why? You can't be dominated. You can't be controlled. You take back possession of your life. You begin to speak to everybody about this ability, the forbidden knowledge, the information that they have posterized on the billboard, that this crazy, you're weird. Go over there. You don't have no friends. It's been designed that way. So if you do tap into it, that you be on an island by yourself. You are the misfit. Misfit child, misfit adult. You don't belong. And that's exactly why you here, because you don't belong. You're not even from this universe. Those that are typing into those psychic abilities, you're an advanced soul of consciousness. You utilize these abilities every day on a different universe. You're helping everybody here remind them of their psychic abilities. It's not something that's common like certain individuals get it. Everybody has it. It's just the fact that your belief system is holding you hostage from your own psychic abilities. It's holding you hostage from the powers of the universe. It's holding you hostage to Mother Nature. Not allowing to the freedom to express who you truly are. To allowing nature to give a presentation through you. And what I mean by you mean hostage, it's from yourself. Allowing a fake version to rule you, take a hold of your mind and your thoughts, completely skipping over your soul. That's all for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.